That bump on your foot isn't extra bone growing. It's your entire foot structure collapsing, and tight shoes didn't start it. That bony bump is actually your first metatarsal drifting outward while your big toe points inward. It's a structural dislocation called hallux valgus, medically defined when the deviation angle exceeds 15 degrees. But here's the twist. Tight shoes didn't cause this. They just accelerated it. Research suggests up to 90% of bunion cases are genetic inheritance. Padding the bump is a trap. The real issue is biomechanical. When the big toe drifts, it stops stabilizing the arch, forcing your ankle to collapse inward. To keep running, you must restore the lever. This requires 2 non-negotiable changes to your gear before you take another step. Passive spacing isn't enough. You need active strength. Master toe yoga. Isolate and lift the big toe while keeping the others flat. This fires the abductor hallucis muscle. If you are considering surgery, know the cost. It is a bone reconstruction, not a shave. Use this decision matrix before booking an appointment. Respect your anatomy, keep running.